Hey Pretty Birdies, I'm Helen. I'm Pretty Vulgar's Director of Global Artistry and I'm here today to talk about our new Faux Reals Mascara. We're going to show you how quick and easy it is to get fuller, bolder lashes with just one swipe. You probably already know the basics of mascara, but just in case, we thought we would give you a little tips and tricks. So I always love to take the wand horizontally and just kind of applying it to yourself. It's going to be differently, but just at the base, lift up and wiggle back and forth and then pull up, just so you can really get into each and every lash, and it'll really give you a big voluminous effect. When you wiggle, it prevents any clumping. So once you're done applying our Faux Reals Mascara, you'll be blessed with full, luscious, long, dramatic lashes from root to tip. And they're long-lasting, flake-free, and smudge-proof, so you don't have to worry about your lashes all night.